Hi everyone, this is Curious Nisha and welcome back to the channel. Is it undeniable main character chemistry? Or did things just get a little too intense on set? Dylan Wang and Meng Si's upcoming costume drama, Empress Reborn, has not even released an official premiere date yet. But it is already setting C-drama social media completely on fire. This spicy controversy. Leaked behind-the-scenes clips of their romantic kiss scenes went viral across Weibo, Twitter, Douyin. And CNETs immediately broke into a heated debate. Several netizens began judging the scene, claiming the kiss was a bit too passionate for traditional period drama, with some even alleging the actors were using tongue. However, eagle-eyed fans were quick to jump to their defense. They pointed out that it was not tongue at all. It was actually just a classic case of high-pressure acting where they pressed their lips together so hard they literally flipped upward. Behind-the-scenes reality versus screen romance. Beyond the kiss controversy, fans are getting a total kick out of the actors' hilarious off-camera dynamic. Despite delivering super passionate, heart-fluttering moments, while the cameras are rolling, the second the director yells cut, all that romantic tension immediately vanishes. Fans could not stop laughing, pointing out how both Dylan and Meng Si immediately start yapping and joking around like best friends right after locking lips. Talk about professional contrast. Drama hyper and anticipation. Controversy aside, C-drama fans are eagerly anticipating Empress Reborn. Both Wang Hedi and Meng Si are known for delivering top-tier visual chemistry in their projects. And these leaked snippets have only pushed expectations through the roof. Whether you find the kissing scenes passionate or just plain funny, one thing is for sure, this pair definitely knows how to grab everyone's attention long before the show even hits the airwaves. So what is your verdict? Was it intense chemistry or just an optical illusion from pressing too hard? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for all the latest C Entertainment updates. That's all. Thank you. Everyone have a good day. Bye!